Vista Dental Products introduces the newly redesigned CanalClean, now in a simple, time-saving, two-step irrigation kit. CanalClean comes in a convenient peel-and-use kit. CanalClean includes Chlor-XTRA, enhanced sodium hypochlorite, Smear Off 2-in-1, 30-gauge side-vented irrigating tips, and a micro-aspirator for canal evacuation. Endodontic retreatment rates have increased by over 35%, in part due to improper irrigation techniques and protocol. To combat this, CanalClean offers everything needed for optimal tissue dissolution, canal disinfection, and residual kill of bacteria in one convenient kit. Enhanced sodium hypochlorite and a combination EDTA-CHX product will save you time by reducing the number of irrigating steps needed and eliminating the need for a rinsing agent. Both Chlor-XTRA and Smear Off are 100% compatible and will not form a precipitate when mixed. Best yet, these affordable irrigation kits equate to $8 per procedure, costing no more than the price of buying individual components. Step 1 features our patent-pending solution, Chlor-XTRA, which is a pharmacy-diluted 6% sodium hypochlorite solution, enhanced with proprietary surface modifiers and wetting agents. Chlor-XTRA is clinically proven to improve penetration and dissolve tissue 2 times faster while reducing post-treatment complications. The second step in the process involves our patent-pending solution, Smear Off. Smear Off is an EDTA-CHX mix that optimizes smear layer removal and provides a residual kill of bacteria in one step. When mixed with sodium hypochlorite, it will not form a precipitate, so there is no additional rinse needed. At only $8 per procedure, CanalClean is another example of Vista Dental Products' dedication to more safely and effectively achieve endodontic success. CanalClean is your complete endodontic irrigation solution. It saves time, money, and improves your patient outcomes. With CanalClean, it's irrigation simplified. Discover more by visiting vista-dental.com or call 877-418-4782.